Alright guys, well we are back out and working on the radio today. We have cleaned up the engine bay a little bit, getting all that dirt off it with a power wash and got back in here. Since then we have removed the power steering thing. I gotta figure out how to get that up. I'm missing a tool. Springs are off. I gotta get a socket that'll take off the bottom bolt, and we are going to be working on the axle and hubs and getting ready for paint. So we will work on that later, post some footage. Also, welcome all my subscribers, and hopefully you guys enjoy this video this weekend. Alright, from going on now, we are going to start covering up some stuff, getting ready to prep for paint, and hopefully it goes pretty easy and everything works out. So, stay watched. Alright guys, well we had painted the engine bay. Nice black. It's all done. It's pretty. Tomorrow we gotta finish working on the subframe and the frame, springs, axles, hubs, all that mumbo jump stuff. So, but I hate time changes. It's getting dark. So we'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, today is Monday. We are back out at the garage this afternoon. We're getting everything done this morning. Today we are going to finish up the springs and the cradle frames, get them all done. We also got to reinstall this power steering pump and rack all back on. That should be interesting. And then after that we will be good to go with that back together and get all done. So we'll see what it is. I guess it is late now on the Monday night. We are finished up with the painting of the block or the engine bay. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It's all black and pretty. We finish up the cross member for the motor and everything. We got the power steering rack back together, back bolted up. What we didn't get to though, we did not get to the axles this weekend. I need to get a tool to take the hubs apart, which we do not have at the moment, which we will be getting hopefully soon. Other than that, hopefully we can get that done next weekend. I do have to make a trip to Vegas, which will be interesting. Another one. But other than that, yeah, it's been a great weekend. Didn't get much done this weekend though. We were dealing with family and some other stuff, and just enjoying some family time. But yeah, please like, share, subscribe on this one. Ring the bell, smash the like button. Everybody knows it's a nice channel to get, and some DIY stuff. We'll talk to you later. Peace.